Well, hey YouTube, so today guys, we're back here with another product review, and for this product review, I did originally record a video of this product, me unboxing and all that stuff, but the setup process took a lot longer than expected, so I had to get rid of that footage, guys, and the product has indeed been set up already. It's not the most simple thing to set up, but let me just explain to you what exactly we got here. So what we got here is as you can see right here, hopefully, I'll make this clear, let me clean out my windows here. There we go. So, hopefully you can tell what this is. This is the NICEYOU RGB light strip flexible LED, all that crap. Hopefully you guys can see what this is. Hopefully you've heard of it before. But if not, we're going to make this an interactive review and you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. So, it came in a packaging like this. It came in a roll like this. It's sticky. So guys, yeah, at this point, I think it's time to test out the product with you. And for this point, it's going to be kind of interactive. I'm going to stand up. I'm going to show you all the cool features this thing can do. I'm going to be honest with you guys. The setup process is not the easiest thing. You also have to be pretty close to the receiver to get the remote to work for these lights. But once you have the setup worked out properly, this is a really, really cool product, guys. So let's get up here. Let me show you what this thing can do. You got some blue there, but don't worry, that's not all I can do. So, as you can see, guys, it has some cool lighting ability here. It's pretty fucking bright. There's more stuff you can do. You can do like the rainbow effect where it starts shooting rainbow colors like a party or something like that. I'm personally not gonna do that, guys. But overall, like these things are fucking really cool. Like the entire room is blue. You know, the entire room is blue. Let me try to move the camera a bit here. Hopefully you can see that. So yeah, if you need a lighting solution, guys, I'll be honest with you, the remote is not the most intuitive thing I've ever seen. It does work, but as you can tell by there, it does take a couple minutes to work. But once you figure out how to use this product effectively, it really is a definitive product. This thing is so fucking blue in my room now. The camera does not do this thing justice, but this entire room is fucking blue. So yeah, if you're a fan of lights, and they're fucking bright lights, and this is what you need, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. See you next time. Thank you, and bye.